Today, we are celebrating the birthday of one of Bollywood's most acclaimed filmmakers, Imtiaz Ali. Known for his deep and meaningful portrayal of love in his films, Imtiaz has often shared his profound thoughts on love and relationships. On his special day, let's revisit 5 poignant statements he has made about love. Statement 1. Love is not about possession. Imtiaz Ali once said, "Love is not about possession. Love is about appreciation." This statement reflects the central theme of many of his films, where love is depicted as a feeling that transcends ownership and control. In movies like Tamasha and Jab We Met, Imtiaz explores love as an emotion that liberates rather than confines. Statement 2. Love is the ultimate truth. In an interview, Imtiaz expressed, "Love is the ultimate truth. It is the essence of life and everything around us." His belief that love is the most fundamental truth of existence is evident in the way his characters navigate their journeys. Films like Rockstar and Love Aajkal show characters seeking deeper truths about themselves through their experiences with love. Statement 3. Love is about acceptance. Imtiaz has often highlighted the importance of acceptance in love. He said, "True love is about accepting the other person with all their flaws and imperfections." This message is beautifully portrayed in Highway, where the protagonists find solace and acceptance in each other's company despite their troubled pasts. Statement 4. Love is a journey, not a destination. In a candid discussion, Imtiaz remarked, "Love is a journey, not a destination. It evolves and grows with time." This philosophy is the backbone of Jab Harry Met Sejal and Tamasha, where the characters' relationships evolve through their personal journeys and experiences. Statement 5. Love is about self-discovery. Imtiaz believes that love is a path to self-discovery. He once said, "Through love, we discover parts of ourselves we never knew existed." His film, Rockstar, exemplifies this idea, where the protagonist's tumultuous love life leads him to profound self-realization and artistic growth. Imtiaz Ali's unique perspective on love has not only shaped his films but also resonated deeply with audiences. His movies often leave viewers reflecting on their own experiences and beliefs about love and relationships. As fans celebrate his birthday, these statements remind us why his portrayal of love continues to touch hearts. Fans and fellow celebrities have taken to social media to wish Imtiaz a happy birthday. Actor Ranbir Kapoor, who worked with him in Rockstar and Tamasha, said, "Working with Imtiaz has been a journey of understanding love and life. Happy birthday, Imtiaz." In conclusion, Imtiaz Ali's thoughts on love go beyond the conventional, offering a deeper, more introspective look at what it means to love and be loved. As we celebrate his birthday, let's appreciate the wisdom he has shared through his poignant statements and unforgettable films. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on your favorite celebrities. Stay tuned for more exciting content.